So today I just want to make some soft, soaking worship piano music. So let's get to that. So basically, what I have here is I'm using the layer plugin in FL Studio to play two sounds at the same time. And the sounds that I'm using are, well, the first one is direct wave preset, the classic grand damp sound. And I'm using a flex sound, which is from the Arc Sun Cityscape sample pack, and I'm using the Hunting Hour preset. So once played together, you get this nice, lush, soft sound. So what makes this a bit easier for me, at least, is I like to use a pad, worship pads. I found some pads online. So what I'm using is, I like to play in the key of A. I just like how it sounds on the piano. So I'm using the transpose button here in my keyboard because I don't care. I like to play in C sharp. So pad. This is a very long sample, so it's meant for you to just hit play and you play over it, pretty much. So let me get this out of the way. So let me send this to the mixer. Less volume. I like using the faders on the FL Key 69. It's real nice. Yeah, so wait. No, I like that already. See, I already found something to play. That song's nice already. Yeah. Let's try it. Hungry. Try again, try again. Okay, I like the song of that. That can be like the first quote unquote song that we write. Which the tempo for that would be. What do you do? Oh, I forgot you can do that. Oh, I still haven't learned how to use the FL key 69, 61 with FL Studio yet. So I'm still learning what does what. The metronome is right here, so I don't need to look at my screen because my webcam is covering my transport buttons. So that's cool. Where's my tap tempo? Dun dun 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 180. Let me see. Where's my? So one thing that you need to note once recording in FL Studio is to remove this magnet thing, which is pretty much it makes your samples snap to the grid. Once you're recording, you want it to be set to none. Well, pretty much having it on quantizes your notes. So I don't want that. I want to do it myself if I need to. So I'll just make a pattern right here. Make it really, really long. And then I can just record. So is my record on? Now yes it is. Okay, so we can work with that. That's the first idea. Then we can write another one. Yep, I like it. I like this one. So I'll record this here and then play. I like that one. I actually really like that one. But yes, this is what I'm doing so far. I want one more idea. but that's not what we're doing today. No, that closes way too fast. This more sounds like music and fall asleep to. Okay, I can work with that. I can work with that for sure. No, that's not the same thing. Oh wait, that was my mistake, but I actually like it. All right, yeah. I'll just loop it. Yeah. So to end the stream, let's listen to what we wrote. This one was in A. This is the first idea that we made. That's the first. This is the second. So all of them will pretty much loop. And then this one, well, this one is a very short sample, but it sounds like it can loop like perfectly, so I'll leave it as is. So that's just pretty much what we did today. We got 4 ideas so that I can later on make them into full 3 to 8 minute long songs so that I can put them in a compilation or like a 1 hour video stream so that people can listen to while they pray, while they pray, while they meditate, you know, because I'm trying to monetize the channel, so the more content, the more live streams, the more long form videos, the more of these videos that I can make, it will help me to hopefully get more subscribers and to get more watch time. So if you enjoy this stream, subscribe, leave a like. Thanks for tuning in. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.